Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this green halo eye look, so without further delay, let's get started. For a full pigment payoff, I will prime my eyelids with the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base and set it with some loose powder. With a dense shader brush, I'll take this green shade from the Morphe 35O palette and place it only in the corners of my eyelid. With a fluffy brush, I'll take this yellow shade and softly diffuse the edges. With a clean brush, I'll buff out the green eyeshadow to create a gradient effect. Next, I'll take some concealer and place it in the center of my eye to make it a little tacky for the shimmer eyeshadows. I'll take this green shimmer with my fingers and place it directly to the center of my eye. Then with a blending brush, I'll take the black eyeshadow and place it in the corner of my eyes closer to the lash line. I'll buff out the eyeshadow to create a soft smoky effect. I'll also blend the edges of the shimmer eyeshadow so it transitions seamlessly to the green eyeshadow. With a clean brush, I'll diffuse the edges. With a pencil brush, I'll take the black eyeshadow and apply it close to my waterline. Next, I'll take the green shade and buff out my lower lash line and blend the edges with a clean brush. I'll take the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl eye pencil for my waterline and diffuse the edges. I'll also add the green shimmer shade to the inner corner. I'll complete the look with a wing liner and some false lashes, and also draw the inner corner V to finish the look. Here's the final look. Halo eye looks can be tricky but can also be gorgeous once you get it right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I post new videos every Mondays and Thursdays. Until then, have an amazing weekend.